Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Tech and Talk. If you are a new designer or contributor on stock product website, or you have already doing work on different websites, this video will definitely help to increase the productivity on these websites. In this video we discuss two websites. First is Freepik and another is Vecteezy. Most members ask me about, sir, can we upload vector files on Vecteezy? Which one is the best for vector file? Freepik, Vecteezy, or Shutterstock? Sir, can you explain it with different points? So in this video, I explain complete about the Freepik and the Vecteezy website with different point of views as well, and some data I have already created an illustrator, so I show you the complete details. If you are new to our channel, I request to follow our channel so you get new updates related to different codings as well as graphic designing. So let's start our video. Let's jump to our screen. Okay, I just turn off my camera and show the complete screen so you can see the details. So first website is the Vecteezy website and the second is the Freepik. As you already know, both websites are supporting vector file as well as images file. So first we start small description or small information about this website. Both websites offers free and paid vector file and as well illustrations for designers. If you are a designer, you can use on your designs, and if you are a user or a client, you can use it on your social media post as well. Both websites support collection of high quality graphics. There are some key points on which these websites have small differences. First is the content base, quality base, licensing, and user experience. The main difference is that Freepik offers graphics, images, icons, illustration as well. You can see on their website. On the top of the website, you can vectors, photos, PSD, 3D fonts, and many categories as given by Freepik. On the other hand, Vecteezy is more focus on vector file, not on background, not on specific icons, not on related to logos. It specifically work on work on vector file. You can create different vector file just like logos, flowers, plant patterns, landscape as well according to your uh, expertise. Okay, now the second point is the quality. Both provide the best quality, but some vector files the Freepik is beat the Vecteezy. Because why? Normally Freepik has many restrictions, and on you can see on their website they only approve the premium files, not the free files. But on Vecteezy you can upload and sell your file as free files. You can see there is a free tag. You can download this file and use it in any commercial or non-commercial post. But if you want to publish on a commercial post, you must add attribution in your post or in your video or anything. Okay, now the second part is completed. Now go to the third part of our uh, differences menu. Now I can see this licensing part. uh, According to licensing, both websites have personal and commercial use of license, but in kind of licensing, Vecteezy is more flexible on licensing point of view. You can use these designs on your commercial viewers or clients as well. Only simple way is the you can use the attribution, or you can purchase on or you can purchase from Vecteezy website. Okay, now the fourth point is user experience. Both websites are normally user friendly, and you can use normally. If you don't have idea about this website, you can simply go to website, search on a taskbar, and you can simply find and download, or you can use according to your need. Now the second part of our video is the most important part, in which we divide in which I make a simple chart for you to explain the complete description or complete uh, background of both website. Okay, let's go to the account approval. Account approval according to it, Freepik is little more hard, because they take 20 more than 20 files on the first try. You must upload 20 files for the approval, and many times they reject file with different kind of errors, just like quality standards, and the alignment error. I think so alignment error is considered in the quality standard. You can normally see the quality standard error when you try for the first time as a contributor. On the other hand, Vecteezy is the simple and normal. You can say that you can normally upload one file, and you can upload 10 to 20 file as well. There is no restriction on Vecteezy. But on Freepik, you must upload first time you must upload 20 file for approval, and if the files are approved, your account is approved, then you can upload minimum 10 file, and maximum you can upload 500 file for level 1 user. Okay, now go to the second part, reach or explorer. According to reach, Freepik is much better than Vecteezy. Why? Because the quality of the graphics is much higher than the Vecteezy. Because of premium files, Freepik does not allow you to sell premium files, free files on Freepik. But on Vecteezy, you can sell your file as a free file, you can sell your file as a editorial and premium. There are three options on Vecteezy. So according to reach point of view, most Freepik is the best option to sell more sales on vector files. Okay, the third point is the earning per download. On Freepik, normally you can get 0.03 minimum and 0.9 euro maximum on per download. This is downloads, and this per download is for vector files, not for images, not for videos. This is for vector files only. On Vecteezy, on premium file, you get 0.10 to 0.24 dollars from per download, and on free file this is little amount, 0.001 dollar. But the rate is high, but the downloads on Vecteezy is much slower than the Freepik. Okay, now go to the third point, withdrawal limit. On Freepik, you can withdraw your income at 50 euro or 100 euro. When you are connecting your Pioneer account on Freepik, you can withdraw your amount at 50 euro. If you have a PayPal account, you can withdraw your amount at 100 euro. But on the other hand, Vecteezy provide a simple and easy limit for this, which is $25, not euro. This is $25. My mistake. This is dollars. Okay, okay, $25. You can withdraw $25. And second most point is the you can simply when your limit is complete, or when you reach at $25, you can simply click and start withdraw your $25. On the other hand, Freepik have waiting period of 2 months when you reach the limit of withdrawal. Okay, this is the main difference. Now go to the design approval time. On Freepik, there are 2 to 7 days, and on Vecteezy this is 2 to 10 days. Okay, the main issue created on document requirement on both website. On Vecteezy there is a simple form called W9. You can upload by filling it online and without any documentation, without any verification. You can upload it and Vecteezy simply approve your account, and you can withdraw your earning at $25. But on the other hand, Freepik have little more little restriction, which is you must upload your ID document, you must upload residency certificate, you can say that tax residency certificate of a person which created account on Freepik. This is little more lengthy process on Freepik for withdrawal your money. Okay, I have already made a playlist related to Freepik. You can watch it. I place a link in description as well and on I button. But on Vecteezy, I just started new playlist. In coming few days or a few weeks, I start a video on Vecteezy. I hope so this video will help you and you can start working on both websites at the same time. In next video we will discuss another topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.